Okay, observation and inference worksheet or practice sheet. Let's look at the paragraph at the beginning, giving you some background information. As I told you earlier, there's two types of observation. The two big keywords, qualitative and quantitative. A quantitative observation is an observation that is based on math. It involves numbers. You're counting things or measuring things. An example would be the ball weighs 5 grams, or there's 3, 6, 7, 8, 10 students in the classroom. So anything that has to do with numbers, then that is a quantitative observation. A qualitative observation describes the qualities or characteristics. For example, most of the girls have on black shoes in here. Hair is brown. Anything that involves a characteristic is considered qualitative observation. All right, so read the following examples and then decide if each statement is qualitative or quantitative. If it's qualitative, you're going to put a QL. If it's quantitative, a QNT. So I'm going to give you 1 minute to get those 10 completed. 1 minute starting now to get those completed. 1 minute to get this 1 through 10 completed.
I can't find my pencil.
Did you leave it over here?
Maybe.
There's one right there in front of your book.
Oh, yeah. Well, no, it's not.
Well, you can have it.
Oh, here it is.
Okay. Done.
Thank you. You got 30 seconds. All right, time's up. All right, let's look at these. The food was spicy. Is that qualitative or quantitative?
Qualitative.
The computer is black.
Qualitative.
The worm was 1 inch long.
Quantitative.
The glue was sticky.
Qualitative.
I have 2 brothers.
Quantitative.
The umbrella has polka dots.
Qualitative.
She is 6 feet tall.
Quantitative.
Her shoes are green.
Qualitative.
The bowling ball weighs 8 pounds,
Quantitative.
and there are 33 students in this class.
Quantitative.
Good. All right, number 11, write your own qualitative example quickly. Your own qualitative example. Somebody give me your example. Addison.
A qualitative one is the desk is rough.
Eli.
The chicken nuggets are hot.
All right, number 12, write your own quantitative example. Quantitative example. Somebody give me quantitative example. Ashlyn.
There are 11 students in here.
Okay. Eli.
There are 5 chicken nuggets.
Molly.
There are 4 covered lights.
Okay, good. Now, at the bottom, questions 13, 14, and 15. I need you to listen carefully. You're going to look at the pictures. Then you're going to write one observation and make one inference about each picture. An observation is something that you see, that you know to be true. An inference is a conclusion that you form based on your observations. So let's look at the first one. Give me some observations that you have about this picture.
He's hurt.
Who-
He's hurt
How do you know that?
because he's crying.
You don't know that he's hurt. That's an inference.
He's hurt about his knee.
He's what?
He's crying about his knee
How do you know he's crying?
because like it has a little scratch. This.
He could be laughing. We don't know that he's crying. That's an inference. Eli,
There is water coming from the boy's face.
I can't.
There is water coming from the boy's face.
How do you know that's water?
Oh wow!
How do you know he didn't just dip his face in Kool-Aid and that's Kool-Aid coming off of it?
Fine, he's sitting down.
Tell me what you know about this picture.
He's sitting. He's sitting.
He is sitting. Very good.
Maybe he's falling.
He has a hand.
He has a hand. We know that he has one hand, right? Addison,
His knee is scratched.
his knee is scratched. There is some kind of abrasion. Ashlyn,
He's wearing shoes.
he is wearing shoes. What else do we know?
He has an ear.
He has at least one ear. His mouth is open. He has a short sleeve shirt on, or it's a little jumpsuit that's short. Oh no, there's. All right, those are observations. As elementary as that may sound, when you are asked to make observations, that's what you're doing. You are recording or jotting down those things that you know. Now, based on what you know about this picture, somebody give me an inference. Addison,
Boy is hurt.
yes,
He fell.
yes.
He's crying.
Eli,
He's crying.
he's crying. What else? Anybody?
Probably screaming for his mom.
Okay, his mouth's open. An inference could be that, he fell down and scraped his knee and he thinks it's funny.
I don't know. I don't know his personality.
So,
Is he a
right,
joker?
okay, yeah, he could have jumped, well, he only has one arm that we know for sure, so we don't know if he was jump roping.
I said,
Okay, the next picture,
I said, is he?
look at it a second. Give me observations.
There are 4 people.
There are 4 people, yes, Everett.
They're standing.
They're what?
Standing.
They're standing, yes. Ashlyn,
The grandma has fluffy hair.
how do you know that's a grandma?
Oh
my god.
She has white hair and a cane.
That doesn't mean she's a grandma.
Assuming genders, are we?
No, she may not have any kids to have grandkids. How do you know that? And I've seen people,
It's an old person.
younger women with white hair.
Yeah. It's an old
Yeah.
person. Yeah.
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 They have on clothes.
Say it again.
They
have on clothes?
They have on clothes, yes.
You don't know that.
What?
That could be how their body looks.
She is holding a rake, yes. What else do we know, Everett?
There are leaves.
There are leaves, yes.
They're all girls. Oh, never mind.
Wow.
Say it again.
I said they're all girls, but then I said the boy.
Eli,
They could be holding a broom, not a rake.
that's a rake.
Oh, but are you sure it's a rake?
I'm sure.
They're
I
a
put the rake in their hand.
Yeah, she
Okay, let's make some inferences. Give me an inference.
that they are raking leaves as a family.
Yes. Anybody? Come on, Molly.
Those people are spending time with their grandchildren.
Yes. Or these could be two girls that belong to a club because they both have on the same kind of hat. They could belong to a club that are doing good deeds for the elderly in their neighborhood.
Or maybe they
That is an inference.
Maybe.
Okay, number 15. This is gonna be good. Give me some observations. Addison,
There is a beach ball.
there is a beach ball, yes.
They have on bathing suits.
Yes.
Are you sure?
There's a girl
Are you
today.
sure about that?
Okay. Anybody else?
There is water.
There is water. Now, give me an inference. Give me an inference.
They went to Orange Beach to go swim.
Yes.
There is a beach and a shark and a conch.
Eli.
Wait. When she says water, it's water. But whenever I say the boy's crying, it's Kool-Aid.
Yeah, it's Kool-Aid.
I said, wait, after I said that though, I said it could be Kool-Aid. We do not know.
Get over it, Eli.
Yeah.
Okay. We did inferences, right? Alright. This, sheet needs to go on page 6 in your composition book.